Cosmos Multi-Utility Grinder. Unlike most conventional grinders, the Cosmos Multi-Utility Grinder is manufactured with a specially crafted cylindrical roller and high-quality gearbox. This ensures the even grinding of ingredients with minimal heat transfer onto the product. This also keeps the design compact, occupying less space in the kitchen. A tilting lock system is provided to lock the tilting angle. The grinder comes with a stainless steel lid, ensuring contamination-free grinding. This helps in easier and more hygienic transfer of the batter.